Penerbangan 56K76 tujuan New York sekarang boarding. Para penumpang dipersilakan untuk naik melalui gerbang C2. Terima kasih. Attention, flight 56K76 to New York is now boarding. Will all of passengers please pass on to gate C2. Thank you.